What's up Avatar fans, welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about Samsung. Following on the heels of last month's S22 lineup launch, we now have the A53 5G. Yep, Samsung keep churning out mobile phones and the globe keep buying them. This is meant to be a budget version, still at over £400. Is that a budget phone when you consider what Xiaomi, Realme, all these other brands do for under £400? Let's get into the specs of this phone and give you my first impressions. Let's go. I'm not going to fanny about too much with the unboxing. Unfortunately, Samsung have transitioned the no charger in the box down to their mid-range phones, which again, a lot of other companies don't. But hey ho, so you get the box. In the box you get the phone, which comes in a few fancy colours. I've gone for boring black. Pretty sure that's what's called on the website anyway. If not, it should be. And also in the box you get a SIM ejector tool, a USB-C cable for charging, and some manuals. That's it. I'm not going to make a separate unboxing video to waste your time. That'd be bloody pointless. So that's what you get in the box. Now the phone itself, if we take off the peel, for all you ASMR fans, nice peelage. Oh, okay. So yeah, as mentioned, it's a budget phone. This blower is 6.5 inches, Super AMOLED 120Hz display. Those are flagship specs in my opinion. Whenever you're talking about Super AMOLED and 120Hz, that's a good thing. Build quality, Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and cheap ass plastic on the back. Having just opened it live in front of you there, this is the cheapest feeling £400+ phone I've ever felt. Yeah, sorry to be brutal, Samsung, but not impressed with the feeling of this. Are we saying that something over £400 doesn't warrant glass, polycarbonate, a frosted feeling? Anything better than this? Okay, continuing on with the specs. So with that 6.5 inch screen, you're getting 408 pixels per inch, if you care about that. Now on the back of the phone, following on from the trend that comes with budget phones, we've got a quadruple camera setup. And no, it's not like anything that you're going to get on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. It's a 48 megapixel main camera, which I'm sure will produce good photos. It's a 12 megapixel ultra wide, again, perfectly fine. Then we get into pointless, could you not have saved a bit of cash by ditching the next two cameras? 5 megapixel macro, 5 megapixel depth sensor. There's a LED flash on there as well. Again, why phone companies feel the need to add in these macro lenses and the depth sensor, I don't quite get. Now, should phones have a depth sensor? Absolutely, they work for portraits. But advertising it and making it a quadruple camera setup, that's nonsense to me. And also, could ultra wide camera not do the macro close up? Anyway, it's a quadruple camera. At the bottom you have USB-C port, which is always good. I wish Apple would jump on that bandwagon. On the front you have your front-facing 12 megapixel selfie camera, SIM card ejection tray, and we'll get into internal specs, but it's important to note that in that SIM card tray there is room for a micro SD card. Again, comment down below if you actually use a micro SD on your phone in 2022, and be honest, because transfer speeds are trash, and if you're buying a phone like this, you're probably not going to use a micro SD card because you may be a professional that takes photos and videos. Yeah, you're not going to pop it in this phone. Anyway, I digress. Internals. This is running the Exynos, that's Samsung's own chip, 1280 on its 5nm process. It's running Android 12 with One UI 4.1. So as far as what it's running, just to highlight, it's running the same as my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. By the way, 6-month review video coming on this absolute dream. So yeah, internally it's going to be absolutely fine. This is no gaming powerhouse, not that game anyway, but it's going to do the job. That's the Samsung A53 5G. Did I mention it's got 5G? Again, comment down below, particularly if you live in the UK. How often are you on the 5G network here? Yeah, comment down below. That's the phone. I will do a full in-depth review. I might even do a camera comparison between this and my upcoming OnePlus 10 Pro. Why? Just because. Price-wise, I've already mentioned £429. Any questions about the A53 5G, pop them in the comments box below. I'm not looking forward to putting my SIM card in this phone for a while because, again, I've been using this absolute beauty. But I do it for you. So because of that, because I have these first world problems of having to put my SIM card in lots of different phones, pop the like button, hit subscribe, ding the notification bell, and take care. Bye bye.